What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Gonna keep it simple. I'm with my buddy Eric, subscriber, met him on Instagram. And he actually brought me to this actually, I don't know if it's a pond, lake, same, two, both the same. We're at this pond, and you can't really see it now, but there's a bunch of, like, what'd you call it, duckweed? Duckweed. Bunch of duckweed out there. It took me to the spot. He says it's pretty good for frogging, and it gets up to, like, really shallow, also goes really deep, so we can get on that shallow bite, that deep bite, and whatnot. And we're just rigging up the little paddle boat here. We're gonna hop in, and so we're gonna be out here, we're gonna start frogging. He says if you can get on a good frog bite out here, it's supposed to be pretty good. So I'm excited for that. If not, he's got other ponds around here. Currently, let me check the time here. It's currently 6:49 in the morning, so we still have, I mean, actually we have a ton of time, but stay in that early morning bite. It's gonna be a good day. And I'm gonna shut up, and we're gonna get in the boat and start frogging, so let's do it. Oh, something just blew up on it.
Hit it, hit it, hit it.
Oh, I wasn't even paying attention. I just set the hook right. Just set that hook right in the family jewel.
Got 2 blow-ups and 5 casts. Oh.
Did you get him? Nice, Eric, hooking up. Good one, good one. Could have had a double up.
That's a better one.
It's not bad, Eric.
Oh, barely hooked too.
Nice, you got half weeds, half fish.
Skinny.
Right? Yeah, dude, that's still a fish. Dude. That's awesome.
Look at how
Whew.
healthy they are.
That's awesome. That's a healthy fish. Nice. Yeah, I mean, I just got a good cast sometimes. You know what I mean? I just can't, you know, get the fish. I got the whole.
Oh, hit him.
Got him. Get him out of that stuff, huh? Let's go. Dude, these things hit hard. Wow. Like, honestly, like any other lake, that's like a huge fish hitting it. You know what I mean? Yeah, I got him. Let's get him up here.
Nice job.
Nice. First of the day.
That fish too. Look at that.
Yeah, I mean, this is like, they're not huge fish, but you said some get kind of big in here.
Get big, yeah.
But like, still, beautiful fish.
Those, yeah, perfect.
Absolutely. What cool shot are we gonna get here with this one? What do you want? What should we do?
Really.
Eric's getting these dope shots. He's actually my new photographer. I hired Eric this morning. Hired him in his driveway. Not a bad fish. Absolutely smacked it. Eric said that, you know, they fight like big fish in here, and they do. This one, like, honestly, like, they feel so much bigger than they are. Kind of disappointing, but at the same time, yeah, a lot of fun.
3 or 4 on.
Not a bad one. See you, buddy.
There you go. Okay, let's move on.
Like, we could see him too. And then my buddy caught one of them was a 4. Got him. That's a nice one. Is it?
That's a big fish.
Don't hype it up too much. Keep that, walk slowly. Keep that line tight. He's caught up a lot though. In some. Yeah. I'm dragging him in. Get him for me. All right.
He got so wrapped in.
Oh my God! It's like not even that big.
I know, it's so.
Yeah, I thought it was so much bigger. The thing seems so much bigger because of my pole was just bending, but it's because I had all this stuff on it. Me and Eric had a new pond. We've been here for about, I don't know, 5-10 minutes, and at least there's fish here, so that's awesome. Not a bad guy. See ya. Yeah, got him. Not too bad, not too big. Let's go. Little guy.
I told you, right next to the grass.
Yeah, they're hitting the Senkos on the weed edge, like Eric was saying. Little guy, but still, you know, something tugging on that line.
Oh no,
You just had a hit. See you, buddy. Woo! Senko bite. Senko bite could be on now. No longer the frog bite.
Like, even the little males, they're fun. Yeah, post up, sitting here for a while. This is a great spot.
Yeah. Not a good one though, but tap when I was on my phone. All right, that was the first cast at this pond. This is like what, pond number 4, pond number 5?
Yeah.
But he's got a face full of weeds. Look at all these weeds. Almost, I caught more weeds than I did fish almost. But kind of on that gray or smoke colored Senko. Dinker, he actually hit that thing. Right when hit the water, I let him take it for a bit. And little guy, see ya. Now I gotta get rid of all this forest on my friggin' line. Look at this crap. Are you kidding me? There's fish. There he is. I don't know. Seems like it's better than usual. I don't know. No, don't go in the weeds, you son of a biscuit.
Oh yeah, maybe.
I think he's better, but I don't think he's like, you know, great. Yeah, you gotta keep that tension because the guy's like, If you let slack, you know, it just gives them opportunity to just get off the hook. What you want to do is just leave that tension on them. I still have them though.
Yeah, I know.
I think. I don't know. Is he under there? You want to check? All right, dig through that carpet. It's stuck. It's straight stuck, man. Look at that. Just pull the weeds. Is he still there?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
3. Well, that's a good one actually.
Is it?
Yeah, that's
not a bad one.
That's like 2. Yeah.
It's a nice fish. Oh, that is a deformed mouth. Look how stupid that looks. Nice guy in that smoke-colored Senko. That is our biggest one of the day. He's got a messed up jaw, but that's cool. We're gonna take a picture and put him back. We're gonna put the sucker back. I'm gonna put him in a spot where there are not a lot of weeds, even though it's kind of hard to find.
Oh my God, great job.
Toss it back. Boom.
Constant pressure.
Nice.
Let's call it.
Oh, good one. Dude, good luck getting that thing through the grass. I think it's all right. Right? Same thing as last time. Well, while you're doing that, you might as well try to double up. Because his buddy's up there. Oh, right in the mud. Got one.
Oh, shoot.
Take my. Oh, did you get off? No, I got him still. Ding.
Oh, yes, sir. That's a skinny fish.
Dude, my foot is like black from the mud. And I just fell in the mud and almost the water
Look at this.
for this little guy.
Can I
See you,
get
buddy?
a picture with this thing? Oh my God. That's how some fish is.
Look at that thing, man. So damn skinny and weird.
It's like paper.
Yeah. Good fish, though.
Yeah, I know, he'll be
If he had meat on him, that'd be a good fish. Nice. Good fish. Double up, too.
Oh, hell yeah.
We're at our 5th pond of the day, I believe. So,
Like a bass, dark sleeper. And he's going to do
And-
himself. Yeah, there you
good
go.
release. I like that. It's quick, efficient. Yeah, we're throwing these
Ooh, that's so fun.
dark sleeping looking thingies, whatever these things are called. I don't know.
Bass, dark
Eric says they're good, so I mean, I believe he caught a 6-pounder in this pond on it the other day.
Insert a picture.
And so it's supposed to be good. It's supposed to be good bait. So he just caught that one right by shore, and hopefully we can get a few more. We got about half an hour left to fish, and we've done pretty well today. Hopefully we can get ourselves on a big one. There's one.
Told ya. Told ya.
Dark sleeper, baby. First fish on the dark sleeper. He choked that dark sleeper right in the top of the mouth too. He choked that little guy right on top of the mouth, but 5th pond of the day, another fish, not a big one, but this fish. Little guy right by the bank.
Barely hits you. I know.
Yeah, they're right. They just tap it. These guys are all the same size. I'm gonna get a 6 just like you got the other day, but this guy choked it. Perfect imitation for a little gill. And I'm trying to up the size a little bit. I'm done with these dinks. Our last pond, about 25 minutes left. I'm trying to get myself a nice fish, so let's get that.
Maybe get by this. Yeah, I caught fish here. Yeah, you gotta put that picture in the freaking video.
There's a fish.
Oh, good one.
Nah.
Oh, look at that jump.
That's a pretty cool jump. Just feel that little thumb, man. Hey, this thing's pretty good. They fight really nice in here, man.
Get up, tail again.
I got him. I was flipping all the way up here. Whoop. Dark sleeper. Does it again.
Tail it is.
Buddy just slumped it. And jacked him with it. Little guy, thank you, buddy. Whew. Oh.
Not a big meal.
Well, one meal. Oh, hold on. There he is. They're all the same size.
Good job.
This one's a little bit bigger than the last
He
one.
swallowed it.
He did. Wow.
Yeah, told you that.
Look at that.
That works.
He just choked that.
Makes good stuff.
I was sleeping on the dark sleeper until we went to Bass Pro today. Picked some up. Little guy, almost done here. Just got to finish this little last stretch. Might pick up one more, hopefully. Number 4 at this pond. I believe this is pond number 5 today, and we're on them today. So hoping we can get one more. If not, had a successful day. Sun came out now. It's about 1 o'clock, and it's hotter than Vietnam out here. So, well, we made it back to the crib. Dropped Eric off. Super cool to fish with a subscriber. You know, you meet someone on Instagram, and it was really cool. He had some really nice ponds. He has like 15 more he wants to show me, so I'll definitely be fishing with him again soon. But overall, had a great day. I'm gonna make this outro quick. It's like 95 degrees in the car. It's 92 outside now. Really hot out here. Just got home. It's about almost 2 o'clock, but we had a solid day. You know, first couple ponds, I was missing some on top water. Eric was getting them top water. Second pond was iffy. 3rd pond we got some. 4th pond, and we ended up fishing 5 ponds. And that last pond I caught 5 on that Dark Sleeper it's called. I was sleeping on it, so don't sleep on the Dark Sleeper, guys. Pretty good bait. I do want to thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, leave a big thumbs up. Would really appreciate it. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe because we post videos once or twice a week. Always on the grind trying to get up some fresh new content for you guys. But as usual, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Hope you really enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace!